not the same with only two people. I'm begging you.
Should have asked how much time we had before we left.
That's fine. Like, honestly, I think they'll think we went way farther. Well, you would have went farther than me. Maybe.
I think they should go up here. We made it all the way out here. And it's just such a sick view from up there.
Sure, yeah.
We don't even... It was so cool. And we were a mile from the end. From the view.
I'm begging you. Like, this is where real hiking is, man.
I know. The trails here, they're like... The trails we do back at home, they're all like... Since there it's just all woods and weeds, they have to really maintain it well. Whereas here it's just so raw, since you just put in signs.
This is actually, back there it was just a pathway. So back there I'm not really going out hiking, that's just raw.